Good day everyone, I am Christian Belanta from BEd 1A, and for today's discussion I will be talking about enthymeme. And enthymeme is incompletely stated argument, a kind of syllogism wherein either a premise or the conclusion is omitted, which means either the premise, either the minor, major, or the conclusion will be disappear or be left out. For example, here is, all Christians are believers of God, but some Filipinos are Christians. The conclusion is, ergo, some Filipinos are believers of God. Either the major premise or the minor premise and the conclusion will be left out, and there will be left a state, either the major and the conclusion. And there are three kinds of enthymeme. The enthymeme in the first order. Major premise is omitted, which means only the major premise will be only the major premise will be left out, and the minor premise and the conclusion will be stayed. For example, is all Christians are believers of God, but some Filipinos are Christians. Ergo, some Filipinos are believers of God. It's stated there that major premise is omitted. Therefore, the major premise will be left out, and the minor premise and the conclusion will be stayed. And it's stated there that some Filipinos are Christians, and therefore some Filipinos are believers of God. It's the major premise will be left out or disappear. And enthymeme in the second order. Minor premise is omitted, which means the minor premise will be left out or disappear, and the remaining premise is the minor and major and the conclusion. For example, here is all Christians are believers of God. Minor premise is, but some Filipinos are Christians. Ergo, some Filipinos are believers of God. The minor premise will be left out because it's stated there that the minor premise is omitted, and all Christians are believers of God, and therefore some Filipinos are believers of God. The minor premise will be disappear. And the enthymeme in the third order is the conclusion is omitted, which means the conclusion will be disappear. For example, all Christians are believers of God, but some Filipinos are Christians. Ergo, some Filipinos are believers of God. Therefore, the conclusion will be left out, and the major premise and the minor premise will be stayed. All Christians are believers of God. Therefore, some Filipinos are Christians. And also, an enthymeme can be considered as categorical or hypothetical. An enthymeme can be categorical if it is easily to identify. For example, it is raining, and Sarah is absent. So when you say categorical, it is easy to identify. Sarah is absent because it is raining. And hypothetical enthymeme, if it is, for example, the hypothetical, it is raining, therefore Sarah is absent, and it is need to be valid. The syllogism can be valid if can be considered as hypothetical if it is valid. That's all.